Do you feel like that you are stuck in your English speaking journey? No matter how much you study, fluency seems out of reach. Well, what if I told you that there is just one habit that can completely transform how you speak English? Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I am going to share a game-changing technique or a habit that can make you fluent faster than you think. So hello everyone, welcome to Easy English 247, where you can master your English skills. My name is Shweb Khan and I am an IELTS trainer, English coach and an EDI instructor. I'm here to help you out to take your English journey to the next level with tips that really work. So let's dive right. The difference between people who struggle with English and those who speak fluently isn't the talent. It's not intelligence, it's a habit. A single daily habit separates a weak learner from an excellent one. Today, I am going to reveal this habit and show you how it can drastically improve your English fluency. So what's the habit? It's simple but powerful. Speak English out loud every day for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're talking to yourself, describing your day, or you're reading out. The key is to engage your brain and mouth in the process. You might be thinking, but I don't have anyone to speak English with. Here's the good news. You don't need a partner. Here are 3 easy ways to make this part a daily habit and a daily routine in your life. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing throughout the day. For example, I am making breakfast, I am going to the market. Read out aloud. Pick a book, article, or even a social media post and read it aloud. This helps your pronunciation and flow. Second, record yourself. This is a powerful tool, trust me. Recording your voice and listening in bed, you will notice the areas where you can actually improve your tone and pace. Start with just 5 minutes a day and then gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. These things are really going to help you. By speaking every day, you get used to the rhythm and sounds of the English language. You're not just reading or listening, you are actively practicing. This habit also boosts your confidence because the more you practice, the less afraid you will be of making mistakes. Okay, so let me just share a quick story with you. One of my students was shy and never spoke up in English class. I gave him this habit of speaking aloud every day for just 10 minutes, just to himself. After a few months, his confidence soared and he started speaking naturally without overthinking. Like every word, like what we do. So consistent practice is very, very important. Why does this habit work so well? Let's break it down. When you speak out loud, you train your brain to think in English. You move away from translation or translating in your head and start using English naturally. You also start pronouncing these words correctly, which builds your muscle memory. Just like playing an instrument, okay, the more you practice, the better you get. And guess what? You don't need anyone else to start. You can do this anywhere, anytime. So all right, now it's your turn. I challenge you to start this habit today. Dedicate 10 minutes to speaking out loud every day for the next week and watch how quickly your fluency improves. And hey, let me know how it goes in the comments below. So what are you waiting for? Start speaking now and I promise you that you will be amazed at the results.